To enable and set up Do Not Disturb mode in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter notifications right here and then look for an option called Do Not Disturb mode. If we enter it, we'll be able to turn it on and off, and based on your settings you will see different things. So it may all just enable or disable, or you may see a window like this which allows you to turn it off and to turn it on until you turn it off manually, or set it for a specific amount of time. Then you can change if you want to see this window each time. That if you want, then select Ask Every Time. You can also change it so that if you enable Do Not Disturb mode, it will work for a specific time that you will select, or until you turn it on and off. Now, if we select this option, we can simply turn it on and off. So when we have that covered, we can go to the schedule, which allows you to set up Do Not Disturb mode to work automatically based on the time and day that you will set. So for example, we can add a schedule, name it however we like, then set a specific days of the week where we want it to work. Then set a time when it should start and when it should end. And when we have our schedule set up and it's active, it will toggle on automatically on that time and then end at that time. After that, we can customize which options will be allowed during Do Not Disturb mode. So first we have calls and messages. You can add any contacts that will work with Do Not Disturb mode. That means they will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. You can first select calls and messages and allow only selected contacts, or allow all except selected contacts. That way you'll be able to add the contacts based on that behavior right here. With the first option, you can also allow calls from all, contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none, and enable or disable repeated callers. If somebody tries to call you within 15 minutes, the call will go through normally. Then there's messages, and you can do the same thing, apply one of the options. After that, we have app notifications. You can add specific apps that will be able to bypass the Do Not Disturb mode. And then there's alarm and sounds, and here you'll be able to enable or disable alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders in Do Not Disturb mode. Lastly, there's hide notifications. You can, when the screen is off, hide full screen notifications. Hide when the screen is on, hide app icon badges, hide from notifications panel, don't show pop-up notifications, and hide status bar icons. When everything is set, you'll be able to turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.